If you want to use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the settings. Once you open the settings, over here we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you want to go to General Management. Now over here in General Management, we want to go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then here we need to find Voice Input. We need to make sure that it is enabled, so most likely you will have Samsung Voice Input enabled, but you can also switch to Google Voice Typing if you want to. And then we're going to open our keyboard. And once you open the keyboard, then we need to find a microphone, which is usually over here in the bottom left corner. And you can tap on it to activate the voice typing feature. And if you do this for the first time, we need to allow the keyboard to record audio, so to use the microphone. And we need to agree to the privacy policy. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can see right now on the screen. And you can tap on the microphone again in order to, of course, turn it off in case it doesn't do that by itself once you end your speech. Leave a like and subscribe.